Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hiyayakko. Hiyayakko is the simplest and the most popular way to eat tofu. It's just blocks of chilled tofu with some condiments and soy sauce. And the condiments can be anything. And today I'm going to show you the most classic ones. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Hiyayakko, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Tofu, firm or soaken, whichever you like. Nori strips, katsuobushi bonito flakes, soy sauce, and green onion. As I said, the condiments can be anything and the sauce too. Other options are grated ginger, tenkatsu, tempura bits, shiokombu, salted kombu seaweed, sliced okra, diced tomato, anything you like for the condiments. And for the sauce, other than soy sauce, you can use ponzu sauce, little bit of salt and sesame oil, little bit of salt and olive oil. So play with it and find your favorite combination. Let's take tofu out from the packet. You don't need to drain it, you just need to drain it. Just like this. Cut into blocks. Serve in the bowl. Make some slices of green onion. Put it on the tofu. Katsuobushi bonito flakes. Some nori strips. Put some soy sauce. And Hiyayakko is ready to go. It's super easy. Too easy almost. Time for the tasting. Let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. And itadakimasu. It's nothing special, but something that all Japanese people like. Tofu is very plain, almost tasteless ingredient, so it can go well with any condiments and any sauce. Because it's such a simple dish, the quality of the tofu matters. So try to get the best tofu you can get in your area. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Hiyayakko is the size, so it goes here. Some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Because Hiyayakko is so easy and healthy dish, let's go something time consuming and heavy for the main. So how about chicken with ginger sauce? Plain rice here and onion miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.